Chef David Rose, Omaha Steaks executive chef here. Bonjour. This week we're taking your taste buds on a party on a Mardi Gras float.
Can you say lobster po' boy cheeseburger?
Laissez les bon temps rouler.
First, we're gonna split and remove the shells from some Omaha Steaks lobster tails and season with salt and pepper. For our breading, we're gonna use your favorite potato chips, Japanese breadcrumbs, and parsley. Then we blend it all together. First, we toss the lobster tails with seasoned flour, egg wash, and the potato chip breadcrumb batter. Fry until golden brown and remove. Every po' boy deserves a remoulade. Mayonnaise, diced pimento, Dijon mustard, diced pepperoncini, bread and butter pickles, lemon juice, couple dashes hot sauce, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. Season to taste with salt and mix. Use Omaha Steaks ground beef to form your patties and make a dimple in the center of the burger. Season with salt and pepper. Onto the big green egg we go, cheddar cheese, and melt. Butter your brioche buns and lightly toast them on the big green egg. Let's build a lobster po' boy.
I feel like I'm in New Orleans.
Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.